What's up, Apocalypse dudes? Today we're gonna make chess pie. Chess pie is a really basic pie. It's like an old British recipe that in the South they co-opted, I guess, when they did settlements or whatever. It's also called a sugar pie. So it's just like eggs, sugar, a little bit of flour, a little bit of corn meal or something. And the difference is in England, I guess they use milk, and in the American South, we use buttermilk. So got this buttermilk to make cornbread. I've seen another video. And it's just like, they give you so much. So looking for something else to do with it, make a buttermilk pie. Gonna give some to my neighbor for his birthday. And this is a British recipe. I'm gonna be talking to you about Electric Wizard, British metal band from Dorset, in the south of England. They were originally called Lords of Putrefaction, and they changed their name to Electric Wizard in 1993 as a nod to two different Black Sabbath songs. So I got my pie crust here. I'm cheating, I'm using Betty Crocker. I just measured out half of the box, about 1 1/4 cups, and I'm gonna add ice water. Really important. I haven't drank out of this ice water. I will after. But 2 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons, and you're gonna mix this into a ball and then roll it out. So, have a lightly floured surface here. Got my some flour in my hands before I deal with whatever. And got my ball dough. Pie crust that has no like splits and ends and edges on it. You can see here, tried my best to cover the cracks, no cracks. Hope that does the trick. So while we make the filling, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, the freezer, to cool for a while and kind of solidify. So to make the inner filling, the custard of the pie itself, what we're first going to do is add 4 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of finely ground cornmeal, and 3 tablespoons of white flour. That we're going to whisk together, and then you add the buttermilk and butter, salt and whatever, vanilla. After that step, important you do it first: eggs, flour, sugar, and then buttermilk, butter. Also important to note that while Electric Wizard's self-titled debut was pretty much a traditional doom metal record, the 1997 release, Come My Fanatics, really established themselves with a more distorted, psychedelic edge, furthered even in Dope Throne 2000 release. It became known as stoner sludge British royalty. Would British royalty eat chess pie? Hard to say. It seems like kind of something for peasants, just because it's so simple. There's not a lot added to it, but you never know. It's what people did way back then. What were Electric Wizard doing way back when? This is a direct quote from apparently Just Oborn himself, the lead singer of the band, referring to 1997, I guess years preceding when they were recording Come My Fanatics. Quote, "At the time, we were pretty bad people. I got arrested for arson of a car outside of a police station. Tim Bagshaw went to nick a crucifix off a church roof so we could use it on stage, then slipped, fell off through the window, and sliced his arm open. He got community service for that. Then Mark Greening got nicked for robbing an offie. That's a liquor store in England. He smashed the windows, nicked a bottle of whiskey, then sat there drinking it outside. We weren't very nice people, to be honest. We were feeding off that shit at the time. It made us feel like we were more of a heavy metal band." Heavy metal they were. Lyrics, the content of their lyrics is, pretty standard, like stoner, doom, referencing cannabis use, but also H.P. Lovecraft and the occult. Let's add some sugar. And a half of buttermilk, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter, which has cooled, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Chilled pie crust sitting on a oven pan. I'm going to place it into the oven, and then I'm going to pour my custard filling from this bowl. See, it has like little pinched ends. I'm going to pour it from the bowl into the pie while it's sitting on the oven rack. Then I'm going to sprinkle the top of the pie with, the recipe says 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm adding an extra, so 3 tablespoons of brown sugar on top. That's supposed to give it a kind of crispy outer edge, I guess like creme brulee or something. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. Open the oven, rotate the pie, and let it cook for another half hour. So that's like one Electric Wizard song to listen to in the meanwhile. Okay, it's been a half hour, so I'm gonna do a 180. 4 hours since I made the pie. So like a long time to wait, but you have to, with custard pies, let them cool completely, or else when you cut into them, they'll be like still gooey and liquidy, and you know, you really want it to just be like a nice solid slice of pie. But as an Electric Wizard fan, and you are too now, maybe, you have probably noticed in this video that Electric Wizard, you need a lot of patience because they have a really like slow, droning build up and then a super epic payoff of just like crazy, distorted, heavy guitar and drums all the time. And then, you know, they've had a long career, and quarantine notwithstanding, like last year they were on tour and went to Brooklyn, for example. So longevity in the career, we've only talked about in this video like the first, or like the earlier releases, full-length releases, but they're still making music. As of 2003, and this is a fun little love story, we love a love story. As of 2003, Justin Coborn's wife, Liz Buckingham, has been a part of the band, and she's, you know, I love to see a lady in metal. She's like a really cool aesthetic, it's just like long-haired babe, fucking shredding with the band. So yeah, love it. Power to you. Do what I can. I can, however, enjoy this pie. Again, chess pie, custard pie. Gonna try it, see how I did. Crispy finish, and like yellowy, nice kind of egg color. Flip it. Really good. Tangy with the buttermilk. A little bit sweet. Not too sweet. Like, not as sweet as I thought it was gonna be. It's good. I was afraid it would be too sweet. It's amazing. I love it. Hope you liked the video. You know, stay heavy. Rock on, Apocalypse dude. Stay safe. Stay heavy, stay safe. Stay... whatever.